Madam, let's go. Look at Miss Smith here. On our way back in our school. Huh? Let's go. The plastic one, right?
Daddy, oh. Daddy, oh.
Not sugar for money. Okay, this one is 90. Okay. Come. Mama, come. Go, logo.
What?
Yeah. I'm gonna try this one. I try.
Oh my God.
Yes. Afro food. I have that. No, do okay. Floor line. No, you will have floor. But then we have floor. And next time, use it. I have in our park. No, we yes, he said it was dropped. I'm easy. Check it, think a new one. Yeah.
The potato is healthy.
Mama, don't put the bad ones. Both of them are tomatoes. Both, yeah, both are tomatoes. Big and small tomatoes. No, don't put that one. Is not good. It's
broccoli. This one. What? Bubble cabbage.
Even I will take only one, okay?
Okay.
Let's go, guys. Mama, no. Don't go with your bag. Daddy will buy it later. Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, I'm counting.
Don't push your sister.
Hey, I'll carry it myself. I'll carry it. Wow, what's this? I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mommy. And that was funny.
Can they give me gloves? That plastic gloves. Don't touch this one.
I want spicy fish. I want spicy
Not
fish.
eat from milk.
I want spicy fish. I want spicy fish.
So guys, this is what we bought so far. I don't have enough space. I would have bring all of them out at once, but there's no space. Yeah, this is banana and this is plantain. Over here we have minced meat, red bell pepper, cucumber, mushroom, green bell pepper, bread, pasta, beans. We saw these beans in the morning and we decided to give it a try. Looking like Nigerian beans, so I've not tried it. I'll try it and see the outcome. We have, yes, I'm coming. We have peanut butter. We have here oat. Here we have some vegetables and fruits: carrots, apple, strawberry, grapes. Over here we have meat, no Maggi, tomato paste, juice, butter. Guys, if you're looking to buy a butter, you see this butter is very healthy, very good. So this is the one I always go for whenever I want to buy butter. It's very nice. Yeah, look back. Okay, I'm almost done. Over here we have fresh tomatoes, and here we have some vegetables. Yeah, oh my goodness. Over here we have egg. I kept it here so it won't break. So guys, that is all for today's grocery. I couldn't bring all out from the plastic because I don't have space. So yeah, thank you guys for watching to this extent. See you in my next video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Bye.